Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to quickly save your design as a JPG in Canva but weren't sure exactly how to do it, or maybe you weren't sure about the right settings, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the simplest way to create and export a JPG image using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get your design out of Canva and save it as a crisp, ready-to-use JPG file, even if you're a total beginner. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Canva.com. It helps to be logged in already, but if you don't have an account yet, you can easily make one with your email or even just sign in with Google or Facebook. Canva's homepage is super user-friendly, so no worries if this is your first time. Once you're on Canva, look towards the upper right corner or around the main dashboard for the purple button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is the spot where all your new ideas get started. You'll notice Canva gives you a bunch of options like Instagram post, presentation, flyer, and so on. But for this demonstration, we want to set a custom size so we're in full control of our image dimensions. Right below those suggested design types, there's a link labeled Custom Size. Click that, and now you're able to enter the exact width and height you need. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple and enter 100 by 100 pixels. If you're wondering why you'd use this size, think about small logos, icons, or profile avatars, anything that needs to be super compact. If you want a bigger image, don't be afraid to adjust those numbers to suit your project. Once you plug in those dimensions, Canva will open a fresh canvas at exactly 100 by 100 pixels. From here, you can either start designing from scratch or, if you prefer, pick a template. On the left side, you'll see plenty of template options. Just click the Templates tab. Maybe you see something that sparks an idea. Even if it's not exactly what you want, you can always customize it by changing colors, images, or text. This is the fun part. Let your creativity run wild. If you're not sure which template to use, try searching for a keyword like logo or icon and see what pops up. Don't worry if things take a minute to load, especially if your internet is a bit slow. Canva just wants to make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with your design, let's move on to the most important step, saving and downloading it as a JPG. Look to the top right of your Canva screen and find the button that says Share. Click that and a menu will appear. In this menu, select Download. Here you'll be able to choose the file type. By default, Canva often sets this to PNG, but for our purpose today, just click on where it says PNG and switch it over to JPG. If you like, you can even adjust the image quality slider. Higher quality means a bigger file size, but sometimes that extra detail is worth it. Just hit the blue download button and give it a second. Canva will do its magic and your JPG file will be on its way to your downloads folder. That's really all there is to it. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to save your Canva designs as a JPG. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, maybe you ran into a hiccup or you want more tips and tricks, leave a comment below. I read them all and I'm happy to help. And if you're into easy-to-follow creative tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.